Hello everyone. Today I am going to share a topic about wild animals names. 1. Monkey. These can be divided into Old World and New World monkeys and include ground-dwelling animals like baboons. Example. Monkeys are omnivorous, consuming fruits, leaves, insects, and small animals. 2. Panda. Giant pandas are mammals that are only found in the wild in China, namely the Sichuan, Shaanxi, and Gansu provinces. Example, adult giant pandas weigh 100 to 115 kilograms and measure 3 feet 11 into 6 feet 3 in length. 3. Shark. Whale sharks are the largest type of shark with a length of 40 feet. Their mouths are 5 feet wide. Example, sharks have a covering of dermal denticles that protects their skin from damage and parasites. 4. Zebra. Zebras are considered to have white coats with brown or black stripes, but they have black skin under their white coats. Example, they have large, rounded ears with lots of hair to keep dust out of them. 5. Gorilla. Gorillas are social animals that live in groups numbering from 5 to 10 members. Their leader is a male known as a silverback. Example, gorillas can weigh over 200 kilograms and stand as tall as an average human. 6. Walrus. Walruses can be as long as 11.5 feet and weigh up to 1.5 tons. They use their tusks to pull themselves up onto land or ice from cold waters. Example, walruses are social animals and can often be found in large groups called herds. 7. Leopard. There are large spotted cats that are native to Africa and Asia. There are a total of 9 recognized subspecies of leopards. Example, the leopard is a solitary animal and is most active during the night. 8. Wolf. Wolves can have hunting territories as large as 1,000 square miles. Their prey includes deer, bison, elk, moose, beavers, hares, and rodents. Example, the wolf is a wild canine that is found in many parts of the world. 9. Antelope. Antelope are even-toed hoofed mammals. There are a total of 91 known species referred to as antelopes, but they are not taxonomically related. Example, antelopes are swift, slender, and graceful plains dwellers. 10. Bald eagle. The bald eagle has a wide range that spans from Alaska in the west to Labrador Island in the east, from northern Canada to northern Mexico. Example, bald eagles are large raptors with a wingspan of about 7 feet. 11. Jellyfish. Jellyfish have bodies that are 95% water. They do not have hearts or brains, but have a nervous system that detects light. Example, jellyfish have no bones or eyes. Their bodies are smooth, bag-like structures with trailing tentacles. 12. Crab. Crabs walk from side to side. However, some species, like the common spider crab, can move forward and backward. Example, crabs have a thick exoskeleton made primarily of mineralized chitin. They breathe through gills located on their undersides. 13. Giraffe. Adult giraffes can be as tall as 18.7 feet. Giraffes eat 16 to 20 hours a day and can consume up to 30 pounds of food daily. Example, the giraffe is a tall, long-necked mammal that is found in Africa. 14. Woodpecker. The term woodpecker refers to several different bird species, but their main characteristic is that of a strong bill used to penetrate trees for food. Example, woodpeckers are important members of the forest ecosystem, as they help control insect populations and create nesting sites for other birds. 15. Camel. Camels with one hump are known as dromedaries, while camels with two humps are known as Bactrian camels. Example, the camel is a herbivore and feeds on tough desert plants, such as thorny shrubs and dry grasses. 16. Starfish. Starfish are known to regenerate their limbs if they lose them. Their digestive system extends from a central disc into their arms. Example, the starfish is a carnivore and feeds on small animals, such as clams, mussels, and snails. 17. Koala. Koalas are marsupials, meaning that they give birth to underdeveloped live young who live in pouches until they are mature enough to leave. Example, the koala is a nocturnal animal and spends most of its day sleeping in trees. 18. Alligator. Alligators are large reptiles that can grow from 8.2 to 11.2 feet in length. Their teeth are lost and replaced throughout their lifetime. Example, alligators can live up to 50 years in the wild. 19. Owl. Owls are nocturnal birds of prey. They can be as large as the great horned owl, 900 to 2,500 grams, or as small as the elf owl, 45 grams. Example, the owl is a bird of prey that is found in many parts of the world. 20. Tiger. The Bengal tiger is a tiger native to Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, and India. It is a large tiger, weighing between 308 and 490 pounds. Example, the tiger is a solitary animal and is most active during the night. 21. Bear. There are 8 species of bear in the world, and they live in habitats ranging from South America to North America and Southern and Eastern Asia. Example, bears are known for their thick fur and sharp claws, which they use for protection and to catch prey. 22. Blue whale. The blue whale is the largest animal on Earth and is considered the largest animal ever to have existed. It is 100 feet long and weighs 200 tons. Example, blue whales are truly awe-inspiring creatures and a symbol of the beauty and diversity of life on Earth. 23. Coyote. Coyotes are a wide-ranging canine species that have a diverse diet, eating anything from moose and bison to lizards and insects. Example, the coyote is known for its intelligence and adaptability. 24. Chimpanzee. The chimpanzee is the human being's closest living relative. 98.8% of its DNA is similar to that of humans. Example, the chimpanzee is one of the closest living relatives to humans. 25. Raccoon. Raccoons are nocturnal animals that are solitary, except for the months between January and June, their mating season. Example, raccoons are very adaptable animals. They can live in a variety of different environments. 26. Lion. Lion cubs are reared in small groups. They are born with brown spots on their fur, which fade over time. Example, the lion's mane helps protect its neck during fights. 27. Arctic wolf. The Arctic wolf is native to the North American Arctic and Greenland. It subsists on elk, musk oxen, and Arctic hares. Example, Arctic wolves have large paws that help them navigate through deep snow and ice. 28. Crocodile. Crocodiles are cold-blooded aquatic reptiles that live in tropical areas of the Americas, Australia, Africa, and Asia. Example, crocodiles have a lifespan of up to 70 years in the wild. 29. Dolphin. Dolphins are considered to be toothed whales, evolving from mammals that emerged in the fossil record 50 million years ago. Example, dolphins are social animals and live in groups called pods. 30. Elephant. Elephants are the largest living land mammals and are two different species, the African elephant and the Asian elephant. Example, the African elephant and the Asian elephant are the two main species of elephants. 31. Squirrel. Squirrels cannot digest cellulose and therefore usually feed on nuts, coniferous cones, and seeds. Example, squirrels are active during the day and sleep at night. 32. Snake. Some of the world's largest snakes include the green anaconda, Burmese python, and reticulated python, growing upwards of 18 feet. Example, snakes shed their skin periodically as they grow. 33. Kangaroo. Kangaroos are native to Australia and frequent the country's grasslands, plains, beaches, and even golf courses. Example, kangaroos are herbivores and eat mostly grasses and leaves. 34. Hippopotamus. An adult hippopotamus can weigh as much as 9,920 pounds and be 16.5 feet in length. Example, hippos can hold their breath for up to 5 minutes underwater. 35. Elk. Elk are native to North America, weigh up to 1,100 pounds, and can be larger than 5 feet tall at the shoulder. Example, the sound of an elk bugling in the distance is one of the most hauntingly beautiful sounds in nature. 36. Rabbit. Rabbits sleep on average about 8.4 hours a day and sleep with their eyes open to respond to sudden outside movements. Example, they have long ears, powerful hind legs, and continuously growing incisors. 37. Fox. The fox is an animal that belongs to the canine family. It eats mostly insects, eggs, lizards, and birds. Example, they have a flattened skull, upright triangular ears, a pointed, slightly upturned snout, and a long, bushy tail. 38. Bat. Bats are the only true flying mammals. Their wings are comprised of thin bones and a stretchy skin membrane. Example, the vampire bat is the only species of bat that feeds on blood, usually from livestock or other animals. 39. Hare. Hares have larger ears, powerful hind legs, and large hind feet and are self-sufficient from birth. Example, hares are small, fast-running mammals with short, bushy tails add to their unique appearance. 40. Toad. Toads are not taxonomically different from frogs. Because of their appearance, they are colloquially referred to as separate types of animals. Example, toads are often found near bodies of water as they need a moist environment to survive. 41. Frog. Frogs are amphibians of the Anura order of animals. They start life as eggs, then change into tadpoles, and eventually their adult form. Example, they have protruding eyes, no tail, and strong, webbed hind feet adapted for leaping and swimming. 42. Deer. Deer are part of the Artiodactyla order of animals. They are native to Europe, Asia, Africa, and the Americas, and have been introduced to Australia. Example, deer have slender bodies and long legs. 43. Rat. The rat is an extremely adaptable animal that is nocturnal in nature. It is most active shortly before dawn and right after dusk. Example, rats are notorious for spreading disease and can pose a health risk to humans. 44. Badger. Badgers are a group of animals that consist of 11 species related to mink and otters. Badgers eat small birds, mammals, insects, and lizards. Example, badgers have stout, elongated bodies with short legs adapted for digging. 45. Lizard. Lizards are a large group of reptiles that typically have scales, a small head, and short limbs. Some lizards do not have limbs and resemble snakes. Example, they are large herbivorous lizard that can grow up to 6 feet in length. 46. Mole. Moles are burrowing mammals that are capable of digging 15 to 18 feet of tunnels in an hour. They mostly eat earthworms and insects. Example, moles are rarely seen above ground, as they spend most of their time underground in their burrows. 47. Hedgehog. Hedgehogs are animals that are distantly related to shrews. They have spiny backs and can roll into balls when threatened. Example, hedgehogs are often found in gardens and hedgerows, where they can hide and nest. 48. Otter. Otters are part of the Mustelidae family and are related to badgers, minks, weasels, and wolverines. They feed on fish, but also crustaceans. Example, the otter's fur is thick and waterproof, helping it to stay warm and dry in the water. 49. Reindeer. Reindeer are also known as caribou. They are native to northern climates and subsist on grass, shrubs, and low-lying parts of trees. Example, reindeer are found in the northern regions of Europe, Asia, and North America. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Hope you enjoyed our YouTube series. See you soon in next video. Till then, bye-bye.